A is for alligator. Let's spell it together. A-L-L-I-G. T-O-R. Alligator. Look at the alligator, big and strong. It lives in the water and on the land. B is for bear. Let's spell it together. B-E-A-R. Bear. Look at the bear, big and fluffy. It loves to eat honey and fish. Hello, Mr. Bear. C is for cat. Let's spell it together. C-A-T. Cat. Look at the cat, soft and playful. It loves to chase balls and take long naps. Hello, kitty cat. D is for dog. Let's spell it together. D-O-G, D-O-G. Look at the dog, loyal and friendly. It loves to play fetch and wag its tail. Hello, doggy dog. E is for elephant. Let's spell it together. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Look at the elephant, big and gentle. It has a long trunk and big floppy ears. Hello, Mr. Elephant. F is for fox. Let's spell it together. F-O-X, fox. Look at the fox, clever and quick. It loves to run in the forest and has a fluffy tail. Hello, Mr. Fox. G is for giraffe. Let's spell it together. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Look at the giraffe, tall and gentle. It has a very long neck and eats leaves from the trees. Hello, Mr. Giraffe. H is for horse. Let's spell it together. H-H-O-R-S-E, horse. Look at the horse, strong and fast. It loves to run in the fields and says, neigh, neigh. Hello, Mr. Horse. I is for iguana. Let's spell it together. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. Look at the iguana, green and scaly. It loves to sit in the sun and climb on trees. Hello, Mr. Iguana. J is for jellyfish. Let's spell it together. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Look at the jellyfish, soft and wiggly. It lives in the ocean and floats with the waves. Hello, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. Let's spell it together. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Look at the kangaroo. It can jump so high. It carries its baby in a pouch. Hop, hop, hop. Hello, kangaroo. L is for lion. Let's spell it together. L-I-O-N, lion. Look at the lion, big and brave. It has a shiny golden mane and a super loud roar. Hello, lion. M is for monkey. Let's spell it together. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Look at the monkey. It swings from tree to tree. Monkeys love to eat bananas, and they are super playful and funny. Hello, monkey. N is for narwhal. Let's spell it together. Narwhal, Narwhal. Look at the narwhal. It has a long, twisty horn like a unicorn. It lives in the cold ocean. Hello, narwhal. O is for octopus. Let's spell it together. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Look at the octopus. It has 8 wiggly arms. It can squirt black ink to hide. Hello, octopus. P is for panda. Let's spell it together. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Look at the panda, big, fluffy, and cute. It loves to eat bamboo all day long. Hello, panda. Q is for quokka. Let's spell it together. Q-U-O-K-K-A, quokka. Look at the quokka, small, cute, and always smiling. It loves to eat leaves and grass. Hello, quokka. R is for rabbit. Let's spell it together. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Look at the rabbit, soft and fluffy. It loves to hop, hop, hop around, and it eats yummy carrots. Hello, rabbit. S is for sheep. Let's spell it together. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Look at the sheep, fluffy and white like a cloud. It goes bye-bye and loves to eat green grass. Hello, sheep. T is for tiger. Let's spell it together. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Look at the tiger, strong and fast. It has orange fur with black stripes, and it loves to roar loudly. Hello, tiger. U is for urchin. Let's spell it together. U-R-C-H-I-N-U-R-C-H-I-N. Look at the sea urchin, round and spiky. It lives in the ocean, hiding on the rocks. Hello, urchin. V is for vulture. Let's spell it together. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Look at the vulture, big and wide wings. It flies high in the sky, watching from above. Hello, vulture. W is for whale. Let's spell it together. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Look at the whale, so big and gentle. It lives in the ocean and sings beautiful songs. Hello, whale. X is for xerus. Let's spell it together. Xerus. Xerus. Look at the xerus. A cute little squirrel. It loves to eat nuts and run so fast on the ground. Hello, xerus. Wamai is for yak. Let's spell it together. Y-A-K, yak. Look at the yak, big and fluffy. It lives in the mountains with long hair to keep it warm. Hello, yak. Z is for zebra. Let's spell it together. Z. E-B-R-A, zebra. Look at the zebra, black and white. It runs fast across the grasslands.